Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of LearnDash and Tutor LMS, two of the most popular WordPress LMS solutions out there. If you're trying to decide which platform to use to build your online courses, sell them, manage students, and grow an e-learning business, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. From overview, features, pricing, pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion to help you choose the best one for your needs. Let's start with an overview of each. At their core, both LearnDash and Tutor LMS are powerful learning management system plugins for WordPress sites. LearnDash is often called one of the most professional, long-standing LMS plugins for WordPress. It's widely trusted by educators, institutions, coaches, brands, and businesses around the world, powering everything from small course sites to large corporate training programs. It gives you full control over course content, structure, branding, and how you deliver and monetize your learning experience. It's built for people who want a robust, scalable platform that can grow with them and that scales with complexity too. Tutor LMS, on the other hand, pairs the power of a WordPress LMS with an experience that many creators find easier to use, more intuitive, and more budget-friendly, especially when you factor in its free core version and flexible pricing options. Whether you're just starting out with your first course or building a marketplace of instructors and students, Tutor LMS gives you a flexible entry point with rich features built in, including e-commerce, analytics, bundles, and more, often without as many add-ons required. In short, LearnDash is often seen as the powerhouse option, especially for larger, advanced setups, while Tutor LMS shines as a user-friendly, cost-effective choice, and both are among the best WordPress LMS tools available today. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms in detail. With LearnDash, there's the course creation and builder. Yes, you get a drag and drop course builder to structure lessons, topics, and quizzes. It's robust, letting you embed video, media, assignments right into the curriculum. It also has advanced quizzing and assessment, where you can add timed quizzes, question banks, randomized questions, detailed scoring, and grading. The courses are unlimited as well as the users, and you can generate revenue from your courses. Another interesting thing is that LearnDash do not get to take a cut of your earnings. So you can sell courses as one-time purchases, as subscriptions, or as memberships. And that is great monetization. Interestingly, they also have integrations and add-ons. Yes, LearnDash has tons of additional add-ons: analytic dashboards, group management, grade books, note-taking, multi-instructor support, and lots more. Overall, LearnDash is built to grow with you, from single courses to complex training programs. Now let us talk about the features of Tutor LMS. Intuitive course builder and quizzes. Yes, Tutor LMS comes with a powerful drag and drop course and quiz builder, which is great for multimedia content and different question types. Another one is unlimited courses and content tools. Yes, you can create unlimited courses, bundle them, add prerequisites, drip content, and protect course files. There's also e-commerce and subscriptions built in. Tutor LMS includes native e-commerce with payment gateways and allows recurring subscriptions, subscription bundles, and membership plans. Analytics and reports. Yes, you can get insights into earning, course performance, student activity, detailed course reports, and exportable data. Real-time learning. It integrates well with Zoom, with Google Meet, and Google Classroom, which are perfect for live sessions and real-time engagement. And there's also the student and instructor dashboards. Yes, Tutor LMS offers separate dashboards allowing both instructors and students to manage their own courses, progress, and insights. Now, what is the pricing of both platforms like? For LearnDash, there is the one-site payment. So one site you get to pay $199 per year. There's the 10 sites license at $399 per year, and the unlimited number of site license at $799 per year. How about Tutor LMS? There's the individual plan for solo educators or businesses at $199 per year. Businesses, which are freelancers and professionals, at $399 per year, and an agency plan at $799 per year. Now the prices for both platforms are the same, which is incredible. Also, there's a lifetime plan where you can buy for a lifetime on Tutor LMS. With Tutor LMS, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means before 30 days, you may decide to cancel your payments and you get refunded. Now, what are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with LearnDash. The pros: world-class LMS power and flexibility for professional creators. There's also advanced engagement tools like focus mode and gamification, and it has a huge add-on system for deep customization. And the pros of Tutor LMS: the pricing is flexible, just like LearnDash, but it includes lifetime licenses. And it has built-in e-commerce and subscription tools. It's also easy to use and beginner-friendly. What about the cons? For LearnDash, it has a steeper learning curve for beginners, and the add-ons can also accumulate in costs. And the cons of Tutor LMS: there are fewer integrations compared to LearnDash massive marketplace, and the AI tools with some other tools might require separate API costs. So having considered both platforms, which one should you choose? Well, here's a brief summary. Choose LearnDash if you want maximum power and customization, if you plan to scale a professional training business or institutional site, or you value advanced features, analytics, and an ecosystem of powerful add-ons. But on the other hand, choose Tutor LMS if you're just starting or you want a friendly, flexible entry path, or if you want to built-in monetization and subscription tools without buying extra add-ons, or if you like the idea of paying once and owning your license for a lifetime. And that's it on the comparison of LearnDash and Tutor LMS. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Lifter LMS, Thinkific, and Teachable. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.